In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Progressive Insurance with Amex. If you want to use your American Express card to make a payment on your Progressive policy, the process is usually very straightforward and only takes a few minutes. You can do this either through the Progressive website or in the mobile app, depending on whichever option is more convenient for you. To get started, sign into your Progressive account. Make sure you're using the correct account so you can access the right policy and billing information. Once you're logged in, look for the billing or payments section. This is where Progressive keeps your current balance, due dates, and payment options. After that, select the option that says Make a Payment or Manage Payment Methods. If you're making a one-time payment, choose the payment option that lets you pay now. If you want to save your card for future use, go into the area where payment methods can be added or updated. Next, choose credit card as your payment method. Since you're paying with Amex, this is the category you'll need. Then enter your American Express card details carefully. Take your time here and make sure everything is typed correctly so there are no issues with processing. If you're adding the card as a saved payment method, double check that the billing details match what's associated with your card. Once your card information has been entered, review the payment amount before submitting anything. This is an important step because it helps you confirm that you're paying the correct amount and using the right payment method. If Progressive gives you the option to make a minimum payment, full payment, or a custom payment, be sure to choose the one that fits what you intend to pay. When everything looks correct, submit your payment. The system may take a moment to process, so avoid refreshing the page or closing the app while it's working. After the payment goes through, look for the confirmation screen. Finally, save the confirmation for your records. You can take a screenshot, download a receipt if one is available, or keep the confirmation email if Progressive sends one. This can be helpful later if you need proof of payment or want to track when the transaction was completed. And that's it. Once you've followed these steps, your Progressive Insurance payment should be successfully made using your American Express card.